YouTube TV's family sharing feature lets you share one subscription with up to 6 household members, each with their own login, recommendations, and unlimited DVR. It's one of the best value features on the platform. And here's exactly how it works. Family sharing is managed through a Google Family Group. The person who pays for YouTube TV becomes the family manager. To add people, go to families.google.com, sign in, and send invitations to up to 5 other Google accounts. Each family member gets their own YouTube TV profile, their own DVR library, personalized home recommendations, separate watch history, their own login and password. Nothing overlaps, and no one sees what others are watching. However, family sharing has one important rule. Everyone must live in the same household area. YouTube TV verifies this using your home Wi-Fi, and each member must connect to that network at least once every 90 days to keep access active. If someone in the group moves away, uses a VPN, or can't check in periodically, their access may be restricted. When used correctly, family sharing can cut your costs dramatically while giving every person a personalized, cable-free TV experience.